Creating a cozy reading corner is a great way to maximize space and personalize an area for reading and relaxing. In this space, we've opted for a simple setup that's big on style and customizable for the season. We've started with this comfy chair with nailhead trim, and the pattern rug brings another layer of comfort to the space. Next to it, we use a small end table to hold books and decor and keep a hot cup of tea nearby at all times. The slats at the bottom provide a place for throws and pillows while creating visual interest. The fireplace console coordinates with the end table and provides a large surface area to display your favorite decor of the season. The console features sliding doors that reveal additional drawers for extra storage while concealing the fireplace when not in use. The coordinating lamp provides the light needed for reading and relaxing, and we've added a splash of color with several plants and succulents. The large artwork creates a bold statement and focal point on the wall and coordinates with the earth tone colors of the space. As always, you can find everything in this room and more at American Furniture Warehouse.